Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to discuss with you about a website I lately discovered that allows you to earn by some ads impression, which means when you see ads around your laptop you can get paid for it. So the name of the app is Addslice, and to get started, let's just open our browser and look for the name. The name of mine is Addslice. So you can see here's the website where you see slice, you browse, we pay. So just click on it and visit the site. So here we are on the site. All we have to do, we can add the Chrome extension first, but I would like to sign up before adding it. So let me sign up quickly. So just agree to terms and condition. So I will, here is the challenge, a little bit robotic challenge. After the challenge, I will be told to verify my email. Now, after verifying my email address, I can see on my dashboard that they are recommending me to install my Chrome extension for the website so that I can earn money. So I can just click on add to Brave. You can add to Chrome if your web browser is Chrome. You can add it to Chrome. So well, just add. Well, now that we've added it, I'm told to disable my ad blocker, so I will disable it. Now here is it. Referral bonus. So after installing the Chrome extension, all you need to do is to open it, go to settings, login. So I'll try to connect the Chrome extension to the website. As you can see, it's now connected. Oh, now that it is connected, there is nothing to do, no big deal. We'll just check things out. Maybe it will. Yeah, I just check it. Slice search. So they will be showing some, as you can see, they say replace some searches with Bing and get paid for up to 50 searches a day. So after that, I check on stuff, no history, so I can see everything is well checked. Okay, so the extension will be showing ads on your screen, and in some few minutes Your station will be showing ads on your screen, and those ads will help you earn some cash. So what do you think about it? Thanks for watching, and hopefully we meet, because I don't want this video to be long. These are the payment methods. Wow, these are the payment. The pay through Bitcoin and PayPal. I won't bore you with all this. So if you want to earn more money, you can refer it to your friends and join the creator dashboard. So Twitch, you can add the Twitch account. So set creator terms, so you can connect your Twitch account to earn more, and copy your link and share with friends here. This is how the ads will show on your browser. So this is how the ads will show. I click on one ad, I want to see how it works, and when you search Google, this is how the ad will show. And again, there is another Chrome extension that work with this Addslice that make it work perfectly, which they call new tab. The slice new tab. This slice new tab, I will put the link in the description where you can click and install the slice new tab immediately. So you can just, the slice new tab helps the slice app work better. So before, when I didn't install the slice new tab, I was seeing that it is not working well. So I tried to find out what would be the problem. I later found out that the slice new tab also work well with it. So now when we search on research, when we open a new tab, it brought me to Fiverr. So now when we open a new tab, we see the slice app. So we see the slice app when we open a new tab, the slice tab. So you can see the slice tab allows me to earn more. For example, when I just keep on give away, so I just search giveaway, you can see there is a new ad here, which I will get paid for every impression. So after seeing all these ads here, you can see them placed. What to do next, I will like to show you my dashboard. You can see 7 ads seen right away. So I saw 3 ads. You can see after installing the slice new tab, which I will link in the description for you guys, so that you can make use of it and earn some money. So we've talked about the payout, we've talked about a lot of stuff, and I would like to check the reviews. So well, let me go to Trustpilot. And just search for the Addslice company. So I love saying so. So I love saying so. So if you are getting tired of me saying so, I'm sorry. I love saying so. Now you can see the reviews You can see the reviews. People are giving positive reviews, and I know this is a very good way to make money online, so I won't bore you too much. Just let us try it and see how much we could earn in the next month. I will also update you guys how much I've made and how things are going. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and support me. I love that. Have a nice day. Thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.